Let's talk about Sculptra, the treatment that works beneath the surface to restore your skin's natural volume and glow. Unlike traditional fillers, Sculptra stimulates your body's own collagen production, giving gradual, long-lasting results that can last up to 2 years. It's perfect for lifting, smoothing, and rejuvenating your natural features without looking overdone. Start your journey to radiant, youthful skin with Sculptra today, because real beauty builds over time.